welcome to UU Spotlight, Uttara University's flagship discussion series where we talk about insights and updates of our university. I'm Samantha Ishra, and today we will be having a discussion on our special civil engineering department of our university. And we have our special guest, Professor Dr. Muhammad Sultanul Islam, Dean, School of Civil Environment and Industrial Engineering. We welcome our guest. Hello, sir. How are you?
Thank you. I'm very good. Alhamdulillah. How are you?
Yes, so thank you so much. I'm also fine. So we actually want to learn more about civil engineering department of our university, and we will know about, like, looking back, how would you describe the journey and growth of the Department of Civil Engineering at Uttara University?
Okay. I'm the dean of the school, as you mentioned in the introduction. So we have 3 departments in our school: civil engineering, textile engineering, and Department of Fashion Design and Technology. Civil engineering, as you all know, is the second oldest engineering branch after military engineering. So it has a lot of history. Uttara University, the number of students and the structure that we have in the Department of Civil Engineering is quite satisfactory and large, I would say. Established in year 2012, so it is almost 13 years ongoing for the Department of Civil Engineering. And since we came in this permanent campus back in July 2023, so more than 2 years now, we have a dedicated lab. So previously it was not there, and the infrastructure around the lab, faculty members, number of students, staff, overall I would say the journey has been very overwhelming. I have been in this university for almost 2 years, and the growth that I have seen in the past 2 years is tremendous.
Well, that's very interesting to know that. What are the distinctive features of this department that makes it unique?
Well, civil engineering, I think around 20-25 private universities, they do have civil engineering. So the core things, I would say, most of the universities, they provide those facilities. It is a lab-based discipline, so we have very extensive lab, and the lab, some of the experiments or the instruments are very expensive. In the Department of Civil Engineering, there are 5 disciplines. Some of the students know, but for the potential students, I would like to reiterate. 5 disciplines: structural engineering, geotechnical engineering, transportation engineering, environmental engineering, and water resources engineering. So we have a common perception that civil engineering means structure, all the developments, infrastructures, rail, road, bridges, etc., etc. But apart from the structural part, we have environment, which is a major issue. For example, air pollution. Dhaka is the second most polluted cities in the world, the latest research that we have studied. We can see some of the watersheds or the rivers, so there are some pollution issues. And apart from transportation, which is the roads networks connecting the rural Bangladesh to the urban cities, so a lot of aspects. We have the facilities, the lab facilities, where students can, I would say, get their hands-on training. So they will get used to those kind of experiments, which will be very useful in their professional life. We have a dedicated faculty members. Our faculty members, we have recruited them from all the public universities, especially BUET, RUET, KUET, CHUET, etc. Some of us have higher degrees from abroad, which obviously the students will get benefited. We have dedicated lab staff, and they are very professional. We have computer lab as well, where students can get to learn drawing, AutoCAD, so software, and ETABS, programming related software like MATLAB, Fortran, etc. So we have a full package actually, which a civil engineering student needs to get at the university level. Besides, we have a very scenic campus, green campus as we see, and they have a small playground in front of the labs. So after completing their labs, they can play for half an hour, cricket, football, etc. for physical involvement. Mental health is very important as well. So we do provide all these facilities and train our students so that they can, after 4 years learning, they will be a very good graduate and serve the nation and the country as well.
Okay, sir, but that was very wonderful because you are focusing, your whole team is focusing on students' mental health as well. Like, this is very appreciating. In your opinion, how well prepared are civil engineering graduates of Uttara University to contribute to the professional field and job market?
Well, it depends on a couple of aspects. I gradually describe one by one. The first is the curriculum. So our curriculum is outcome-based curriculum, or OBE curriculum, which is the latest and the advanced curriculum that in Bangladesh as well as the advanced world, the universities in the Western countries, they also have the same curriculum. So we try to focus not only teaching, but also research aspect, laboratory-based experiments, as well as software. So we have, for example, final year students, we have thesis, project and thesis, capstone design, and industrial placement. So in the industrial placement, a particular student spends say 2 weeks or 3 weeks duration time in the industry to get the practical knowledge and also to work as a team in a professional environment in an industry where he will get knowledge, experience, and academic flavor as well. For example, project and thesis, our faculty members used to supervise a couple of students in a group so that they can get their research-based experience, which will eventually benefit them when they are going to pursue higher studies in Bangladesh or abroad. Just I can give you an example. Our alumni, a graduate of civil engineering student, he got his master's from China. Then we have him as a lecturer. He joined as a lecturer in the Department of Civil Engineering, and recently he got a scholarship in Auckland, New Zealand, to pursue Ph.D. So our graduates actually, they have been involved in lot of fields: industry, university, research-based professional degrees, etc. And in Bangladesh, as you know, that civil engineering or industry is quite expanding for the last, I would say, 10-15 years. Metro rail, Podda bridge, Jamuna rail bridge, elevated expressway, Dhaka bypass expressway, etc. A lot of actually are ongoing projects, and we do need quality civil engineers, to be honest. A lot of professionals have been hired from China, South Korea, even from India, and those markets can be filled by our graduates. So we try to focus that their academic journey, they can learn real and professional ethics with sound engineering practice, so that they can be able to join the fields that I have just mentioned, which are very prestigious.
Okay, that was very interesting.
Thank you.
So we will be moving to our final question. So do you think the Department of Civil Engineering is ready to expand its research, industry, linkages, and global collaboration?
Yes, as a university and as a department, because Uttara University has a lot of memorandum of understanding with foreign universities, and those universities have civil engineering department. So directly or indirectly, we have global connection. Recently, last year, we have an MOU signed between 𝐒𝐤𝐿 Malaysia and Uttara University, and they have very good engineering degrees or departments, civil, CSC, EEE, etc. We are planning to actually communicate with them for short-term mobility program where our students can go to their campus for 1 week, visit their lab, classroom facilities, cultural exchange, industrial exposure, and then they come back. So we are actually planning to implement hopefully in the next year. In Bangladesh, we have, as I said, that we have a industry connection like industrial placement. Our 1 or 2 credits in our curriculum is needed that the students visit industry. And thirdly, when the students do research, Uttara University also provides some financial assistance when they do some research with the faculty members and it gets published in renowned journals, Scopus Indexed or Web of Science. Our authority has been very open and supportive in providing this kind of financial support to the students. So the students have actually, I would say, they have lot of, say, supportive environment in carrying out their research if they wish to. So last thing I would like to say that our accreditation system, we are planning to finalize our accreditation. There are 2 types of accreditation. One is BIET, which is from the Institution of Engineers Bangladesh, you know, and another is Bangladesh Accreditation Council, BSc. So we are on the process of applying, so hopefully very soon we get our accreditation completed for civil engineering programs, and then our wider reach will be, you know, beyond the boundary as well.
Thank you so much for your precious time today, sir. And we really came to know about many things, and I guess the viewers we are having, our young generation, they will learn a lot about Civil Engineering Department of Uttara University. Thank you for enlightening our knowledge about this department.
Thank you so much for having me, and I would like to thank you, Uttara University Authority, for this discussion series. Thank you.
Thank you, viewers, for watching our show. Stay tuned with UU Spotlight for other updates and insights.